Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to list a token on Invariant quickly and easily. Whether you already have a project with tokens minted or you're looking to add any token to the platform, Invariant makes it simple with its permissionless listing. No need to seek approval, just follow a few steps and your token will be available for trading. Let's get started. First, enter the Invariant app and connect your wallet. Then navigate to the Liquidity tab. Click the Add Position button and search for your token by name in the token list. If your token is not listed, the app will prompt you to add it. Click the Add Token button, then copy and paste your token contract address. For the sake of this tutorial, I've minted a brand new token with the catchy name Your Own Token. Once added, your token should appear in the list. The next step is to add liquidity to a pair with your token so that users can start trading it. Assuming you're the owner of the project that your token represents, you have a few strategies for adding liquidity to the pools depending on the effect you want to achieve. For example, single-sided liquidity allows you to add liquidity entirely in one token. It's important to note that this can be used for various strategies such as token buyback or conducting a token sale depending on the project owner's goal. Asymmetrical liquidity allows you to add liquidity without a strict 50-50 token value ratio. This can be an incentive for new liquidity providers, as they can lock most of their capital in one token and worry less about price correlation and impermanent loss compared to the symmetrical liquidity. Classic liquidity pool is the most common option. It requires you to provide equal value of both tokens in a full range pair. Your liquidity is distributed across the entire price range. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on classic liquidity pool, but stay tuned because we're preparing in-depth tutorials for all the other options. First, let's select the tokens for which we want to create a liquidity pool. I'll select your own token in a pair with USDC. Now, we'll select the fee tier. This is a very important point because the fee tier impacts many aspects and you can achieve different results by choosing different tiers. For instance, if you want to attract higher volume on your token and therefore probably gain more exposure, you should pick a lower fee tier. However, this also has downsides. With higher volume, the pool will generate lower fees. Truth be told, the best way to decide which fee tier really fits you is to create a bunch of them and then check for yourself which one performs the best. You don't need to limit yourself to just one. But you should remember that each fee tier has its own separate pool. For example, if you created a pool with 0.01% fee tier and now decide to create another one with a 0.1 fee tier, it will be a separate pool. This is a brand new pool and brand new token which currently has no market value, so we need to set it up. After selecting a fee tier, we'll need to set the initial price and the price range. In our case, we'll choose the full range, and for simplicity's sake, let's assume our token is worth $1 at this point. By setting full range liquidity, our pool will behave similarly to the classic constant product automated market maker used on Uniswap. Hence, why it's called classic liquidity pool. Now, we can enter the amount of tokens we want to provide. Remember, with this method, we need a 50-50 token value ratio. It means that if you want to put into liquidity $500 of one token, you have to put $500 of the second token as well. Finally, we're ready to click the Add Position button. And that's it. Our liquidity is set and anyone can now trade our token. Did you expect this process to be difficult? It's actually pretty simple. To check how your created pools are performing, go to the Statistic tab. There you can check the volume, TVL and APR of your pools, as well as how they have changed over time. If you're also a liquidity provider, you will find here the most profitable pools at any given moment. For more content like this, follow Invariant on X so we can stay in touch. See you next time!